This is the Reolink Duo 3 Wi-Fi, a 16 megapixel Ultra HD camera with a 180-degree panoramic view that can replace 2 cameras in your setup. And it's about to change the way you think about home security. Imagine covering every corner of your property with 0 blind spots, day or night. In this video, I'll show you how the Reolink Duo 3 Wi-Fi not only solves coverage issues, but also simplifies setup with dual band Wi-Fi 6 and WPA3 support. So stick around, because missing this could leave your home less secure than you think. Inside the box, you'll find everything that you need to get started, including versatile mounting options for walls or ceilings. So who is this camera for? Well, if you've got a large property and hate dealing with blind spots, or you're tired of managing multiple cameras to cover every angle, maybe you're looking for an easy-to-use, reliable security camera system. Or maybe you're someone who wants clear footage day or night without a hefty, ongoing, never-ending subscription fee. If that sounds like you, stay tuned, because the Duo 3 Wi-Fi delivers.
So what's in the box? Well, you've got the camera, the power supply, the power cable, the screws and an Allen wrench, manuals and templates, the antennas, the mounting bracket pieces, and an Ethernet cable. Now to install it, just put the bracket right on top and screw it right in. The antenna is marked either left or right, and then you install that on the corresponding side for the camera. So first you're going to want to plug in the camera with power and also Ethernet, because otherwise it does not have a way to get connected to your Wi-Fi. Then you scan the QR code, and after scanning the QR code, we click on standalone use, unless you have the home hub, then we give it a password, and keep illegal login lockout. What that does is it blocks failed attempts. Within 3 minutes, your camera will be temporarily locked for a few minutes, so somebody can't just try to brute force their way in. And here you can name your device, put in the password to your Wi-Fi. Now here is the camera.
Setup is incredibly simple. No complicated wiring or tools required.
This will get screwed into the wall or the ceiling, and then it clips on the inside here. And then you got a screw right here that you screw in from the other side. Now, quick pro tip, since I already have a camera up here, I'm gonna just swap it out. It's gonna be easier to install because it's already mounted. Now, you still wanna check the power supply. And in this case, this is 12 volt, 2 amps against the camera that you're replacing it with, which is also 12 volts and 2 amps. If that doesn't match, then I would absolutely have to change this out. So I'm just unscrewing it from the roof. Now I'm gonna pull the micro SD card out of the old camera and put it in the new camera. So now I'll just take this and clip it in and screw the screw in and tidy up the cable a little bit, and we should be good to go.
Now, I've already installed mine on the ceiling, but you can install it on the wall just as easy. Let me show you how it works.
Now that I'm up here and I have it on my phone, I can just tip this down a little bit, get everything that I want in view, and there we go. Nice. 180 degrees coverage, edge to edge. One single video stream doesn't get much better than that. Now, as you can see, it's not completely perfect as I'm really close. See how it stitches my head together? But if I come on down here, you can't really see where it stitches it.
About 5 feet away. This is approximately 5 feet away. And now I'm 5 feet away. About 10 feet away. 10 feet. Now we've got 10 feet. About 15 feet away. 15 feet. Here's 15 feet. 20 feet. 20 feet. Here's 20 feet. 25 feet away, and 25 feet.
Now let's talk about what makes the Duo 3 Wi-Fi a game changer. First up, it's 16 megapixel Ultra HD resolution. This isn't just marketing hype. The clarity and detail in the footage are jaw-dropping.
The Reolink Duo 3 Wi-Fi has 180 degrees coverage from a single camera. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. With 16 megapixels, it has incredible detail. Check this out. Wow, you can read Alaska on my jacket. That is amazing.
And with seamless 180-degree panoramic view, you can monitor everything without worrying about blind spots. Connectivity is another big win here. Thanks to the dual band Wi-Fi 6, you get faster, more reliable performance whether you're on 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. And the best part, no buffering, even when you're streaming high quality video from the Reolink app. Now, one feature that's been a lifesaver for me is the smart detection. The Duo 3 Wi-Fi can tell the difference between people, vehicles, and animals. So you're only alerted to what matters most. And with customizable zones and sensitivity, you have total control. Plus motion track functionality.
Now here's some quick samples directly from the camera, going from night vision to color. And now here is daytime. My wife getting in her truck, getting ready to go. And now a delivery guy. And of course, I'm getting notifications for all of these if I choose to enable it, so I can monitor my home from anywhere. Now the smart detection here picked up a human as well as an animal. And if I'm not home, I can check in on Mr. Wiggles at any time. He says subscribe.
And plus, with its color night vision, because of the built-in spotlights, you're never in the dark, literally. Whether it's a late night visitor or just an occasional animal, you'll always get a clear picture during the day or night. Now for me, the Duo 3 Wi-Fi has been perfect for keeping an eye on deliveries and monitoring my backyard as I move the camera around. The motion tracking feature gives me the full story every time, and the app makes it so easy to check for footage. No matter where I am, I just open the app, a couple of taps, and there we go. Now let's talk about storage, and you've got options. Whether it's a micro SD card, and this baby supports up to 512 gigs of an SD card. Nice. You can also use a Reolink NVR or their home hub, and there's no monthly subscription needed to access your footage. It's all secure and accessible anytime. Plus, it has RTSP support, once you enable it, for working with third-party systems. Also, this camera is smart home ready with Google Assistant for effortless smart home control. If the Duo 3 Wi-Fi sounds perfect for your home security needs, then check out the link in the description below. Now, if you don't have power available where you need this camera, then you should definitely check out this solar-powered camera next.